up, guys? Welcome back to another exciting episode of G Storms. Today we're going to be doing another episode today. I'm not really sure what to call this episode, but it's going to be a likes and dislike videos about my Jeep. Hopefully you guys can hear me. I got the top off because it's such a beautiful day. It's not too hot, not too cold. I'm sweating a little bit just because I had a rough time setting up this GoPro. And if I'm speaking too loud, it's obviously because I want you to hear me. Hopefully that the wind noise won't go over the phone, over the GoPro camera either. Well, let's get started, man. Alright, so I'm on the way to go see my uncle. This is the uncle that was in my first video vlog with my motorcycle when I first got my motorcycle. Right now he's going through a little stuff, but he's gonna be alright, and we're gonna actually make a motorcycle video of us, me and him riding to California. But yeah, let's get to what I like and don't like about this Jeep. So the first thing I say, I like that it's a Jeep and it's a car. Most of you guys don't know, but for 2 years straight, I had a Camaro, but it never worked. And so I wound up going to go buy a motorcycle and riding that motorcycle for 2 years straight. And the rain, the cold, the sleet, the snow, I mean, it was so cold. I mean, it didn't bother me that much, but it just wasn't the most comfortable thing when you're riding 30 degrees for like an hour, 2 hours sometimes. Because of Atlanta traffic. But yeah, it's like one of my likes that I got. And dislike is, I mean, just the overall cost compared to a motorcycle. Overall cost is probably like 4 times as much as I used to pay. For instance, like one motorcycle I would pay maybe $15 a week for gas, and this I pay like every bit of $40 to $50 a week. But that's just because I go so many places in it. Oh, speed bump. They put these in. Oh yeah, that's right, I was working on here. So. But yeah, that's because I go so many places in it. But honestly, I don't mind because it's like riding in comfort, man. Especially once I lift it. When I lift, I got a lift video coming soon. What else, man? What I don't like about it? I mean, I already did and don't like, so next time do a like. What's a like and dislike right here? It's a 2-wheel drive Jeep, and most of you guys that look at this are probably gonna laugh and say, "Oh my God, he has a 2-wheel drive Jeep."
Oh, no, 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 no.
But what y'all really don't know, my 2-wheel drive Jeep gets really great gas mileage. Even though I spend a lot on gas, but it's because I go like a lot of places. I get around like highway like 22 miles per gallon and city like 18 miles per gallon. Now it's really hard to find a Jeep that's capable of doing that. And I'm just happy that I'm able to do that. Another like that I have is I can take these tops off. Like that I have the option to take just this part off or this part off too. But I like it, I can have the freedom tops. I mean, because it's just like having the whole thing off. But I wish it was able. The dislike is I can't take this one off really easily. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Hopefully I'm speaking loud enough. I'm gonna try and keep this video short and sweet and simple, you know. Yeah, that's another dislike I got about it. And another dislike, and like, if you notice, a lot of the dislikes and likes go together. I like that I bought like an older Jeep. I mean, even though it's a JK, but it's still an older Jeep. It's an 07 JK, and this makes me not afraid to work on it. This is why I'm able to do so many YouTube videos of working on it and like showing how to. I mean, because they pretty much all the same. It's just like, but it's just like if I would've got a newer vehicle, it'd been more so I'm scared to work on them because I don't want to mess it up because I don't spend so much money on getting it. But with this vehicle, it's like, okay, well, if I mess it up, I'll just go buy a new part. And I can get parts real cheap off of eBay, go to a junkyard, find it, you know, and whatnot. I'm thinking of another like and dislike real quick. Give me a second. Oh, another dislike with this car is with the suspension. Hopefully you guys can hear me because I'm about to get ready to go on the expressway. But like with the suspension, I had like one bolt loose with that sway bar, and man, it made this car like shake terribly when you hit like one. I mean, it still shake a little bit, but it don't shake as bad as it used to once I put those 2 bolts in. I'm trying to take it slow so you guys can hear me. Hopefully you guys hear me. The window is not that bad. It's like a motorcycle video. Yeah, like I hit like a little bump because of that sway bar bolt wasn't loose. I mean, it was loose. So I wound up replacing all the bolts and tightening it down real good. And man, it rides smooth, but it doesn't ride as smooth as it should. Which I expect that because of the Jeep, like I say. And yeah, I mean, other than that, I love the car, man. I mean, you see it's like real nice. If the sun was out, like this would be like the perfect video, but I feel like if the sun was out, it would be extremely too hot to do this. And yeah. It's just so relaxing, man. Like, every time I ride in my Jeep with my top off, that's just another, like, with the top off, it makes me want to drive down to Miami and ride through the beach, or just ride over to California and ride down the beach with the top off. You know what I mean? Just like, it's like the American dream. It's don't worry about it. Yeah. And it's so smooth. Oh, this is one big dislike I've had about this Jeep. So when I first got it, I had like the aftermarket radio system in it, and it doesn't interface well with it. Like, it cuts out, and I had to constantly reset it and do all this extra stuff. So I wound up going back to factory with it, and it works really well, but it's just not as loud as it should be. But I've been looking online on eBay, and they actually have this thing that you can jump the wires through. It's like, and you don't have to cut no wiring harness. I'll probably wind up making a video on it, or maybe not. I might just wind up taking a picture of it and posting it on my Instagram or something like that. By the way, if you see my Instagram's gonna be down there at the bottom. I'm gonna have a Twitter. I need to get my Twitter followers up. Snapchat, add me on Snapchat. I don't care, man. You just go ahead and do it. And don't forget to subscribe to the video while I'm at it. Yeah, man. And I also love that it can double as a truck. It has so much space on the inside. Sorry guys, the camera has like a set limit. I don't know how to really change that, but yeah, like I was saying, when you have the doors off and the windows and the top off, it feels just like you're on a motorcycle, man. Like, sorry if the camera's shaking too. We're in these Atlanta streets, and they're really, really bumpy. Yeah, I'm going to see my uncle right now. Might want to cut his hair for him, it just depends. Yeah. Oh, me and my dad, we're gonna have another video coming out. We I think it's a 1987 Harley Davidson shovel head. We're gonna probably completely restore that bike. It's one of his older bikes they used to have. Well, he still have it, but he used to ride, but he no longer rides anymore. But yeah, we're gonna wind up restoring that bike. I've been trying to talk him into letting me restore his old Dixie. Sorry guys, the throat getting a little dry from talking. But like, he kind of scared to let me ride it. He think I'm gonna hurt myself. I mean, but it's been like way before I got a motorcycle, before I had the little accident I had. I'm past the accident now, and I respect bikes, and I respect the road, man. And I see cars and everything, man. I move out the way. Like, I try to pretty much get away from anybody. I try to be in my own little space when I'm driving on the motorcycle, man. And yeah, I hope that social distancing and everything's going well for everybody with this coronavirus, man. I hope everybody get back to work. I hope everything goes well. I hope nobody loses anything. And yeah. Let's see, I want to do one more dislike I had, one more like I got about this vehicle. The dislike is, okay, this is like a dislike and like. Okay, so any mods that you do to this car, sometimes they don't work properly. Like the radio, that's a mod that didn't really work properly. And they have like the headlights that you can put on here. I've been reading online. They said those headlights didn't work properly, and kind of scares me. because I don't want to put it on there because I know it's on like a CAN bus system, and like anything that you hook up wrong, it completely like messes up the system, man. It just makes the car go crazy. Like if you accidentally touch, like for instance with this radio, if you accidentally touch one of the CAN bus wires to the wrong wire, it just makes the whole car dash light up and the windshield wipers go back and forth. I mean, but other than that, I mean, the car is pretty rock solid. I haven't really had any issues about that. In my next video, I'm going to put in how to fix the cruise control. We not talk about it having issues like that, but the cruise control, I mean, that's easy. You just put it in the switch. I'm going to change the clock spring in it, and it should ride fine after that, man. But we're getting close to the end of this video. I hope that you like this video. I hope you learned a lot. I want you to like, share, and subscribe for me. And I want you to have a real nice day. If you have any questions about the Jeep, like anything that you think I would know, or anything that you just want to know in general about owning the Jeep, like just little stuff, just leave it down in the comments. Or I might even just leave it down in the comments and then we can talk. Just leave it down in the comments and we can talk about it, and I'll let you know, man. Other than that, I want everybody to have a nice day, and remember, like, share, and subscribe. G-Storm out.